There he is, right there. Big. I'll send him out there on the little pole. The little Abu. Little Abu done helped up, man. I think it's letting them hear this little Abu can handle. So we gonna send it out there. That's kind of a big bait, but whatever. Gonna send it right out there. I ain't going far, just right there. Something definitely had it. Go ahead and lift it. Oh, that was a bass. He had it. He had it. Well, now let's see what it is. I don't want to drag too much. That's good enough. Let's get him. Oh, no, that's a fish. Definitely a fish. We coming to the top. That's a big bass. Oh, that's a big bass. That's a big bass, boy. God, dog. That's a bowfin. I thought it was a bass. Bowfin. Big bowfin. Get that hook out. That's a big ass bowfin, boy. Shoot. Bird act like he wanted. He ain't gonna be able to eat that. Y'all know I can't leave without a couple of these shellies there, right? Nice. A few nice shellies. We'll take care of it. No skunk.